I am Mr. Gant. Project Management. Welcome to PM101, Module Number 1. Our topic will be the end of the day and beginning of the day convention. End of the day convention. The end of the day convention is the most basic method of learning the forward and backward pass, and it is often used in textbooks, reviewers to teach the concepts. In general, any date associated with an activity denotes the end of that day. Projects are normally started at the beginning of day 1, which becomes the end of day 0. In the figure, we basically start on day 0, so early start is equal to 0. Then, the early finish of activity A will be equal to the early start plus the duration. Early start of the next activity is equal to the early finish of the preceding activity. We go ahead to complete the forward pass, then the backward pass. Beginning of day convention. Computer software programs like Primavera, Asta Power Project and MS Project are more advanced. The start date corresponds to the start of the day convention, and the finish date corresponds to the end of the day convention. This method has an impact on the forward pass and backward pass computations. However, this is the correct strategy used in Microsoft Project, Primavera, and any other application that takes into consideration working hours and calendar dates. In the figure, we basically start on day 1, so early start equals 1. Then, the early finish of activity A equals the early start plus the duration minus 1. The early start of the next activity is equal to the early start of the preceding activity plus 1. We go ahead to complete the forward pass, then the backward pass. So, regardless of whether you start the computation on day 1 or day 0, whether you choose the beginning of the day convention or the end of the day convention, you get the same end date as you see on the figure below.